Maintenance audit for KPH again. Government responds to major infrastructure challenges at Jamaica's largest hospital. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, poor maintenance. An update on dried up ponds in Portmore where several crocodiles were found dead. And a big win for Jamaica, the impact of Carnival 2025. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.